Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all will be fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we discuss about what is artificial intelligence and how does it works. So let's start the video. First of all, we discuss what is artificial intelligence. AI, artificial intelligence, is a machine ability that perform a contingent functions of the human do, such as perceiving, learning, reasoning, and solving problems. This is the bunch of mark and AI for human level concerning the terms of resourcing, speech, and vision. In this artificial intelligence tutorial, we will be have to learn what is artificial intelligence, introduction of artificial intelligence level, history of artificial intelligence, goals of artificial intelligence, subfield of artificial intelligence, types of artificial intelligence, AI versus machine language, where AI used, examples, and AI booming now. Now we discuss introduction of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is almost have industrials given to technologies, edges, and companies integrating at the scales. According to the Casey Kinsey and have to a potential creative $600 billion for the value of rattle bring to 50% cent and more the anti-criminal values of your banking compared with other analytic techniques. In transport and logistic, in the potential revenue jump is 89% more. History of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is the boost for today, although you have to the term to net now. In 1956, a variety of great and expert from a few different background decided to organize the summer of research project on AI. Years of innovation 1923, 1943, and so on. Goals of artificial intelligence. Here are the main goals of artificial intelligence. It is helps to reduce the amount of time and needed to perform a specific task, making it easier to human interact with machine, facilitating human computer interaction with way of more and natural and efficient, improving the currency of speed and the medical diagnosis, helping to people learn how to information are more quickly, enhancing communication between human and machine. Subfield of artificial intelligence. Here there are some important subfield of artificial intelligence. First is machine learning, second is deep learning, third is natural language processing, fourth is expert system, and fifth is fuzzy logic. Types of artificial intelligence. There are three main types of artificial intelligence: role-based decision tree and neutral network. Narrow AI is the type of AI and it is helped to perform a dedicated the task of intelligence. General artificial intelligence is the type of AI intelligence that is the perform of any intelligent task affectionately for human. Rules-based AI is the based on the set of predetermined rules of applied in the input data set. The system is produced the corresponding output. Decision tree is the similar rules that is based on the uses of set and pre determined rules of make decision. However, decision is also have to allow to branching and looping the consider of different options. Super artificial intelligence is the type of AI is the allow to computer and understand human language to respond the natural way. Robot intelligence is a type of AI that is allowed to the robots to complex the contingent abilities including reasoning, planning, and learning. Artificial intelligence versus machine learning. Most of our smartphones, daily devices, and even of the internet uses artificial intelligence. Very often, artificial intelligence is the machine learning are used for the interchangeability and by the companies want to announces their latest innovations. However, machine learning and AI is the different some ways. AI is the intelligence that you have to science training machine that is performed to human tasks. The term was invented in 1950s, which is the scientists began exploring the computer to solve these problems and on. Where artificial intelligence used. Artificial intelligence is used to reduce the repetitive of tasks. For instance, AI is the repeat for your task continuously without fatigue. Artificial intelligence never has further indefined for the task can carry out. Artificial intelligence improves the existing products before you have to age of machine learning and causes of the product built to upon the hard of task and code rules. Form of introduced artificial intelligence is enhanced for the functionality and product rather than to starting the crashes and design new products. You can be use your Facebook images a few years ago that you friend manually now today's and have to artificial intelligence is recommendation. AI is used for the industries for making the supply chain, finance, food processing sector according to the McKinsey for the financial services, high tech communication, and leading AI fields. Why AI booming now? Now, artificial intelligence is the learning booming now. Let's understand how to our diagram. A natural network has been the sense of neutron. However, it is the hardware, data, and algorithm.